Hi, here I am just to show you a quick tutorial how to use BuckitUp application for sharing your data, any data in general, but particularly the data collected with the What I Recycle app for Parki Ar Minda project in Tbilisi. So BuckitUp application works on this single board computer. It's a portable device, battery powered, and so when you come to a garage or meet eco taxi truck, they always will have this device on board, and you can use it just to transfer your data privately, peer-to-peer, to EcoTaxi directly without using any internet. But I need to explain that What I Recycle application is not sending any of your data over the internet because it is unsecure and generally not very responsible way of handling the data. That's why we're testing this, piloting this project where you can send it directly to us without any third party. So for doing that, we need to navigate to the browser and see the What I Recycle website. First of all, this is how it's served on the internet, and this site tells us that we need to connect to the local Wi-Fi network. All the credentials for the network are published here, you can see. The way to do that is just navigate to the Wi-Fi settings as usual. Here is the BuckiUp app Wi-Fi network, and we hit this. It will, when connected for the first time, it will gonna ask us about the password. The password gonna be BuckitUp, and it's also published on the website, the page that we saw just before. Okay, now this is done, and just take a notice that it says here connected, no internet, and that doesn't need to bother you because that's exactly what we need. No internet is intended for this process, and here is again another confirmation. I press keep, and I go back to the web browser. Just as any other website, this application is served over the web browser. We're gonna hit run or just refresh the page, and here it says again on the top, no internet, and no problem. So on the first login, we need to supply our nickname. My nickname, whatever, login. This takes just only one click and needs to be done just once. Okay, so the interface of this application is just similar to any other messenger. We have users here, and the one that is important to us right now is the What I Recycle drop here user. Just hit this one and send all your data to here. For sending the files, we need to go this paperclip like in any other messenger, choose file, and on the file system, this is Android phone, and on the Android, the What I Recycle data is stored in the folder called EcoTaxi under the downloads. So on downloads directory, go to EcoTaxi, and here are all the pictures and files that are stored from What I Recycle app. Take a notice that for the iPhone, it's going to be called differently. It's going to be iPhone directory, and under that, it's going to be What I Recycle folder. It's just a little bit differently. Here, it's important to notice that also not only the pictures are good to be shared, but also these little files that are called JSON documents. This is where the red box coordinates and the label underneath from the What I Recycle app is stored. So these files, the service files, are also very important, and please share not only the pictures but all the files that you can find in this folder. Also, you can share all the files by selecting this select all option on the right hand upper corner of your screen. Not gonna do that because it's just 132 pictures right now. Gonna take a bit longer than I need, but this is basically the logic on how this works. And just here for demonstration, I'm gonna load some pictures. This is how they load. It may take about 1 minute for like hundreds of pictures, like in my case. After you did this, after you sent all your pictures to this device, now they are stored here, they are encrypted. Only this What I Recycle user and you, those are who have the access to these files, and they're disconnected from the internet, so nobody will ever use them for any other use case. This data is only preserved for the EcoTaxi purposes, for automating the fraction recognition task. Okay, so when this is done, you can also delete the files from your phone just to free up the memory. This is very easy. Go to File Manager, and again, this Downloads folder, Ecotexy. Here you can select, basically with this upper corner again, you can select all the pictures at once and just hit delete. They will be all deleted. And thanks for watching. If you have any comments or feedback, please let me know. I will be happy to help. And thanks a lot for helping us with this project and for participating in the pilot. Hope to be in contact with you. Goodbye.